When working on a team, it's important to understand each member brings a unique contribution to the team, which makes for a diverse and successful team. Each individual comes to the table with personality traits, unique talents, and strengths. What matters most is how to maximize each team member's contribution to the team and learn the more effective ways to work together. Here are some ways to improve creating cohesion with teammates. Understand your role in a large project. If there is uncertainty about roles, ask the right person for clarification. Foster interdependence. We is better than me. Working together successfully requires trust and reliance. Open communication. Sharing ideas and possible barriers gains the insight for the entire team. It's okay to ask for help. Teammates help each other. Respect diverse work styles. Be open to differences. Offer feedback constructively and find solutions together. Conflict resolution is important to teamwork and learning each other's work styles. Get to know each team member. Are they a morning person? Do they prefer text messaging over emails? What do they like or dislike? Collective results. Success of a project is collective. It's not about one individual performance. It's about recognizing collective individual performances together.